Do you love tickles? Who loves tickles? Who loves tickles? See this guy. Catch your breath. Are they coming? Are they coming? Are they coming? No, no more? Hey, Jack. Let's say some words. Can you say Bible?
Very good.
Can you say Texan? Can you say... What's another good way?
Can you say duck?
Duck?
Can you say ball? Can you say dog? Can you say cat? What is the dog's name? Tex? Can you say Tex? That's good.
Good job, Jack. There's a ball.
That's a good ball.
Bring the ball over here. Don't do that straight into the window. Here. Here, do it over here, baby. Okay, now you can do it. There's nothing you're going to bump into.
Hey, Jack. Hey, Jack. Where's the Bible? Where is it? Can you show Dada? Nope. That's close. Where's the Bible? What is that? That's right. Very good, my love. Hey, Jack. Hey, where's your dog guitar? Can you find your dog guitar?
Where is it?
There it is. Very good. Very good. Very good. Hey, where's your Muno? Where's Muno? Uh-oh. Where's Muno? There he is. Very good. Do you love Muno?
Jack, can you give Muno a kiss?
Oh, very sweet.
good.
Hey, Jack, where's your dog? Where is he?
Is he out
There he is. Say hi, doggy. Can you wave? Wave at the doggy? That's right. Very good.
Tex, that's right.
Hey, Jack, where's your monster truck? You don't know? Is it over there? Try over there. Oh, where's your monster truck? Jack, look over there.
I'm looking, Daddy. I'm looking.
Baby, come here.
Need some help?
Behind the couch. Can you find your monster truck? There it is. Very good. What else can you say? Can you say, uh-oh?
Oh, it's going backwards.
Oh. Can you say, uh-oh? Uh-oh. Whoa!
Where's it going? Jack, can you blow Dada a kiss?
Very good, thank you.
Can you do your tricks for us? You can't roll on that ball very well. Hey, you want to do a somersault?
Yeah, do a somersault.
Here, do it over here, baby.
Can you do somersault? You can do it. Keep going.
You need a little push? Woo!
Yeah! Good work. Can you clap?
More?
Mo? Okay. Do Mo. Yahoo! Ball, that's right. Hey, Jack, can you clap? Huh?
Here's your yellow ball. Boop. Boop.
Hey. Hey, Jack.
Jack, look at Dada.
Hey, Jack, can you show how you can kick the ball? Can you kick it? Almost. Can you kick it? Can you kick the ball?
That's
there
nice.
you go. Good kick. Hey, do you want to do your tricks for Dada? Hey, Jack.
Oh, hold on, wait. Let's do it away from the wall, baby.
Yahoo!
You're a wild man, Jack. A wild man.
Hey, Jack. Good kick. Can you stomp? That's right. Can you spin? Very good. Can you clap? That's right. Can you wave? That's right. Can you squint? That's right. Can you blow a kiss? That's right.
Can you dance?
That's right. Very good. Hey, Jack, how old are you? 1. That's right.
Jack, where's your nose?
That's right.
Where are your toes? You hit Mama's toes.
Those are Mama's toes.
That's Mama's toes. Yay! You're so smart. Can you do a somersault? Do a somersault. You don't want to? You don't have to. Is your foot out of your little foot sock here?
Hey, Jack Bear, can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Give a kiss. That's sweet. Bye-bye.